this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, make sure you click on that subscribe button and then ring that bell, and you'll be the first to be notified when I post new videos. So anyway, I'm doing another video on the trick-or-treat bags, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I think we can still have Halloween. I don't think we need to cancel it. And we can do a safe social distance trick-or-treating. And I made the most cutest treat bags. And what I used this time, because I did another video and I used my paper pumpkin and some other stamp sets. And then I saw these two in the catalog and I thought, oh, I need to do these. So I'm using Hallows Night Magic, Ghoulish Goodies, the cobweb embossing folder, Halloween magic dies, and look at this ribbon. This is great, like spider web ribbon, and this is the metallic mesh ribbon, and then the glitter black ribbon here. Now I did put in some extras, like ornate frames has some really nice Halloween looking things. Also, Word Wishes, or not Word Wishes, Well Written has Happy Halloween, so I used that. I also use Magic in this night DS paper and that black glitter paper that's beautiful. And of course I used Pumpkin Pie, Gorgeous Grape, and Bumblebee. And what I did with the papers is I just cut out all these little sections here. And then I also, with the dies, is I put them in these little containers here and separated them out. So I went ahead and I cut everything out, and then I assembled my bags. Here's some of my bags, and I just went to the dollar store and got these little bags here. And then, like I said, I just made a whole bunch, and you can see the different designs. And I actually made 40 of these, just like I made 40 from the other videos, and then all of the paper pumpkins. What I'm going to do, we have this big spider web decoration for outside, and I'm going to get something, and I'm going to hang all of these on the spider web. So I'm going to just sit out there. Hopefully it'll be nice. And when the trick-or-treaters come up, I tell them just go pick a bag off the tree. So I don't touch them, they don't touch me. And, you know, there's no reason why we can't do trick-or-treating. So if you want to go ahead and place an order for these, here's my Stampin' Up! Direct address below. And like I said, they are from Halloween Magic. Well Written has Happy Halloween. Ornate Frames has some of these cute frames. Also, there's some nice frames in this set here, really nice frames. Hallows Night and Ghoulish Goodies. And they're just absolutely beautiful. And the DS paper is also just amazing. I just love the DS paper. It came out. Now look at the ribbon. This ribbon was absolutely fantastic. I just really, really love it. And you can come up with a zillion ideas. So here's one where the candy fell out, and it's just amazing how many concoctions you can come up with very little effort. And this also would be a great activity for kids to do. So if you're interested in doing that, go ahead and place an order on my direct Stampin' Up! Site, or you can email me at noreen@joyofcards.com. Or you can just go on joyacards.com and write me a message. You can also put in a comment below in the video, and just, you know, if you want to go ahead and place an order, you can do that. Also, if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be awesome. And a lot of my YouTube videos, I give away the demo card. Now this, I'm not giving away anything, but all my other YouTube videos I do. So go on one of my other YouTube videos if you haven't subscribed yet, and you might be the first one who's actually given me your email address and subscribe. I can't contact you if you don't give me your email address. So you do have to give me your email address. And there we go. Let's save Halloween and do something different and unusual. And I think these bags and having them outside, and if it snows, I'll think of something else. Maybe I'll hang them next to my door on something and they can come up and, you know. So anyway, and I'm also going to put this on my Nextdoor app. I'm in Aurora, Colorado, so if you guys are part of that, part of the Dover group, I'm going to be doing trick-or-treating, and everybody's going to stay safe, and there's no reason why we can't do it. So anyway, so that is my video today. Please subscribe and like my channel, and that'll do it. Thanks. Bye.